Hi guys, in front of me is Realme Narzo 50 Pro, and let me show you how to activate night mode. First of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice eye comfort mode. So it's kind of the night mode, because once you activate it right here by tapping on the switcher, you can see the difference in your screen. You can change the temperature however you like and protect your eyes this way. You can also schedule your eye comfort mode by tapping on schedule, turn it on, and here you can personalize the hours between which this mode is active. So we can leave it like this from 10 till 7. So this is it. So you can activate eye comfort mode, which is kind of night mode, which protects your eyes. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.